Ready?
Let's go.
Murrin Lake. We'll start to go up. Gotta follow them. Go on the lads. It's quite steep, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's it. Up we go. So many steps. Very many steps though. Could be worse. So we're not too far from the top now, Kaarina. Slipping and sliding. Must be getting close. I can feel it. Left or right. I'll try this way first.
That's the trail?
I don't know. Go back this way just for a few points. Oh no, that looks like it ends there. I'm just gonna go for a quick ramble this way. I guess this is the peak. Kind of hard to tell. This is dead end. That's just a drop. Right, we'll go back the other way and see. Fair play. Nice breeze blowing now. This is weird. Flying down the road. Lean back and hold on to the road. Make it fun. Stick out your booty and go down. Stick out your booty and go down. Brilliant. Very well executed. 10 out of 10.
You're taking the piss out of me.
No, I'm not taking the piss. I'm being serious. Put your foot in here that you don't slip. Oh, maybe over this side. Oh. So make sure that's like the highest point, you know. Very, very pointy rock. Ooh, this looks promising now. Wicked. Right, so you can see the bench where we were. It's right down there. I'm not gonna zoom anymore. There you go. So that's where we were.
A little bit spicy.
I'd say this way would be the best way. Otherwise you got wet. I don't know, what about you rather go down the rocks that are wet or down this way here?
You can kind of go down that in your arse, wouldn't it?
Alright, go down this way here. Yeah, I say this way is not too bad. Leveled up our skills. Don't fall. Jeez, it's nearly harder coming down this way than another way. You fall on the path down.
Down that way?
Yeah. It's steep enough, isn't it? Shimmy, shimmy.
When you look at it at this angle, it looks like nothing, but like coming down.
Oh, that's very steep there, like. Yeah, it doesn't really look like much, but I'd say it's going to be steep enough here for a few minutes, but it's not going to be too bad, I don't think. It's kind of like steps here again. I'd say this is more of a going up path this side here, but. Oh! Okay, careful.
I think we did go the wrong way.
Nah, we didn't go the wrong way, but
Well, we could have started in a more optimal direction.
this is cool though. Look at this shit. It's very cool. Come on, Chad. It's just like a ladder. It's very easy. Ooh, good job.
No falls.
No falls. Let's see, we're on the kind of normal trail now.
You know, I reckon either side would be just as bad going up as down.
Yeah, probably. That's what we were just on top of. Now, if you dropped your phone, this is where you find it. You don't want to be too unfit now doing it. You know, too old. Yeah, dude. Sweet. We're definitely getting close to the bottom now.
I feel like this would have been like a lot longer, a bit steeper
Out the other way.
ascent. Yeah, like it would have been a lot harder to go up this way. I think we had more of a gradual incline than this.
Our legs are going to be like Bambi's now when we get to the bottom. Ah, look. Back to flat patch, Kaarina.